Welcome back to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a soft and creamy dahi pudding or yogurt pudding. Light, delicious and perfectly chilled for any season. Let's start the recipe. First take a strainer and place a clean cotton cloth. Now add 2 cups curd. Always use thick curd for best texture. Dahi or yogurt has been a part of Indian cuisine for over 4000 years. Squeeze out the water. This pudding is inspired by traditional bhapa doi from Bengal. You can make endless version from mango to chocolate dahi pudding. And strain the water for 30 minutes. Strain the water completely for a creamy consistency. Transfer the thick curd into a bowl. Add half cup condensed milk. Half teaspoon cardamom powder. Mix well until smooth. Now grease oil in a 5-inch mold. Place a baking paper. And pour the mixture. Boil some water. Place the mold inside. Cover and steam for 25 to 30 minutes on low-medium heat. Steaming keeps the pudding soft without using eggs. Once done, cool completely and keep in the fridge for 1 hour. Now garnish with some roasted peanuts on top. Dahi is rich in probiotics, great for your digestion. It's a good source of calcium and protein. Homemade pudding means no preservative or artificial flavor. Light, wholesome and perfect for guilt-free dessert lovers. And your silky dahi pudding is ready to serve, a dessert that melts in your mouth and cools your soul. Try this easy pudding at home and share your feedback in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Oven Cake and Cookies for more delightful homemade dessert.